Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, children, I am Divya Singh and I am your maths teacher. Children, as we already started our chapter number 4, that is subtraction. In this, we have already completed few topics or few terms. Let us revise these terms once again. Okay? So, all of you look at the board. Here, the first number is 2347 and the second number is 1252. If we are, and which sign is this? This is the sign of subtraction. So what we are doing here, we do the subtraction process. If we subtract both the numbers, if we subtract this number from this number, then whatever the answer we get is our final answer. So here what we get? We get 1095. How? If 7 minus 2, then what we get? We get 5. If 4 minus 5, is it possible? हमने बच्चों ये पहले ही पढ़ा था कि कभी भी मिनुएंड जो होता है वो सब्ट्राहैंड से कम नहीं होना चाहिए. सब्ट्राहैंड इज ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन मिनुएंड. सो अगर यहाँ पे कम है, then what we are doing? We take borrow from the next number. So इसने यहाँ से borrow कर लिया. So then in place of 3 here we write 2 or in place of 4 here we write 14. Then 14 minus 5 equals to 9. Then 2, now it becomes 2. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. And at last 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So this is clear. Now you all can see I have written few terms also. What are these terms? Let us revise. First one, minuend. What is minuend? Minuend, the greater number is called always minuend. जो greater number होता है वो हमारा क्या होता है? Minuend. And the second, subtrahend. The smallest number is called the subtrahend. Subtrahend, जो छोटा नंबर होगा उसे subtrahend कहेंगे. एंड वन मोर थिंग, ये हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था कि सब्ट्राहैंड वो होता है जो मिनुएंड में से माइनस होता है. ठीक, द नंबर विच इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड, जिस नंबर को हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है, दैट इज द सब्ट्राहैंड. एंड वट एवर द आंसर वी ऑब्टेन और वट एवर द आंसर वी गेट एट द एंड आफ्टर द डूइंग ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रोसेस, दिस इज नोन एज डिफरेंस. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ कम टू द next topic. Today I give you one formula. This is already mentioned in your book, page number 45. All of you open your book also. So this formula is for the checking the correctness of the subtraction by addition. Okay, so the first one is minuend minus subtrahend then what we get? We get the difference. This you already know. I think so. ये आपको पहले से पता है कि minuend में से subtrahend को माइनस करेंगे then we get the difference. But one more thing, if subtrahend is here and the other term is difference. If suppose in your question, suppose आपके क्वेश्चन में minuend नहीं दिया है, you have only two terms. First one is subtrahend and second one is difference. Then if we add both the terms subtrahend and difference, if we add both the terms, then whatever the answer we get is our minuend. मीन्स अगर हमारे क्वेश्चन में हमें मिनुएंड नहीं पता है, वी जस्ट ओनली नो द सब्ट्राहैंड एंड डिफरेंस. अगर हमें सिर्फ सब्ट्राहैंड और डिफरेंस मिला है, तो अगर हम सब्ट्राहैंड और डिफरेंस को ऐड कर देते हैं, इफ वी ऐड बोथ द टर्म्स, देन वट एवर द आंसर वी गेट इज आर मिनुएंड. वो हमारा मिनुएंड होगा. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट टुडे we will learn or we will solve the exercise 4.1. So let us do this. Now come, all of you come to the question number 4. all of you read this question with me. So the question says the difference of two number is 21,211. If the smaller number is 42,741, then find the larger number. Okay, question क्या बोल रहा है? The difference of two number. Okay, so first one is minuend, then subtrahend, and at last difference. So the question says, question क्या बोल रहा है? The difference of two number means दो नंबर का जो डिफरेंस है वो कितना हमें क्वेश्चन में मिला है? That is 21,211. So we place this number in place of difference. 21,211. This is the difference. Now, if the smaller number is 42,741, smaller number. So smaller number is our subtrahend. Smaller number किसे हम कहते हैं? Subtrahend को कहते हैं. So we place this number in place of subtrahend. That is 42,741. So children, अभी इससे पहले ही जस्ट हमने पढ़ा था कि अगर हमें डिफरेंस पता हो और हमें सबट्राहेंड पता हो और हमें minuend अगर नहीं पता, then how we find our minuend? We add both the terms. हमें इन दोनों ही नंबर्स को अगर आपस में हमने ऐड कर दिया, then we get our minuend. So let us do this. I'll do this process here. 4, 2, 7, 4, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. If we add both the terms, let us add these terms. First one, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 4 plus 1 equals to 5, 7 plus 2 equals to 9, 2 plus 1 equals to 3 and 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So that is 63,952. This is our minuend. So we place this number in place of minuend. 6, 3, 9, 5, 2. This is our minuend and this is also our final answer. I hope now this question is clear. Now come to the next. The question number 5. The difference of two numbers is 8,19,343. Here again we know the difference, that is 8,19,343. If the greater number, here we know the greater number means here we know the minuend. यहाँ पे हमें minuend पता है and difference पता है. Then find the smaller number. Then find the smaller number or what we known as smaller number in other term, that is subtrahend. So हमें जो subtrahend है वो हमें find out करना है. So here one hint is also given, that is minuend minus difference means हमें अपने minuend में से difference को अगर हम minus कर देंगे then we get the subtrahend. I hope you can do this question by yourself. If suppose you have any doubt, later you'll ask me. Feel free to ask to me. Now come to the question number 6. This is find the difference. In this question maybe you just simply find out the difference. You already have minuend and subtrahend. minuend और subtrahend आपको already given है, तो आपको इन दोनों को आपस में minus करके difference find out करना है. I hope this is also very easy. Now come to the question number 7. Find the difference between. In this question you have to find the difference. First one, the greatest 6-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. So children, I hope you already learned this in your previous chapter. आपने को ये previous chapter में आपने पढ़ा होगा in chapter number 1 what is the largest 5-digit number or 6-digit number. So I hope you all know this. So what is the greatest 6-digit number? That is 9, 9, 9, 9, 6 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the largest 6-digit number. And what is the greatest 5-digit number? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to find the difference. So let us do the subtraction process. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. 9 minus 9, again 0. Again we get the 0. Same. So again 0. Now 9 minus 9, 0. Here 9, only 9, nothing is there. So we write 9 in place of this. So what is the final answer? This is 9 lakh. So this is our final answer, or this is the difference. I hope next part you will do it by yourself. Try to do it. Now come to the question number 8. What question number 8 says? The number 84,592 less than 1,80,004 is. In this question, again you have to do the subtraction process. You have to subtract 84,592 from 1,80,004. इसमें आपको क्या करना है? 84,592 को 1,80,004 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So here your minuend is 1,80,004 and subtrahend is 84,592. So this question also you can do it by yourself.